No, she's eating a bird. Damn. That's how we starting the episode. Oh, she finna get the bear too? It's a wrap. Damn. Power used to be a savage. Look, now the cat afraid. Am I next? You gotta feed him quick. Oh, beautiful landscape. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I know I say this all the time, but that was a beautiful shot. Just look at how this looks. MAPPA is outdoing themselves every episode. Oh, now they just chilling inside the demon. They're together again though. Oh, she wake. Hey! He wanna touch them titties. Nah, that's the only reason he got. Look at him. What was that? Oh, wow. Again? Who is this? With the udders. What is that, an earthworm demon? Damn, listen to it munching on it. Dingy, get your arm back, cuz. We gotta handle it ourselves, Dingy. Let's go. Ooh, they never showed us like the transformation. Oh, that's only partial. Who it is? You know Dingy? Oh, this cuz lover? Oh, it was! She came to avenge her man. Ew. Boy, look at the animation on that. That big clean. Oh, he gonna fade? Woo. Damn, he got nice footwork. Boy, he moving. Oh, she finally see him in action. That's all the motivation he needs. Oh, nice punch you. How is he supposed to get more blood though? Damn, she unfazed. You just not seeing his full form. You shut up. A romantic one. Yuck, ew. Now she talking shit about her man. He blocked it with the hurt hand. Okay, okay. Got you, got you. I know, man, talk to him. Everybody hating on you. He's saying, fuck y'all reasons. Oh, he going nuts. She getting turned on trying to fight him. I love how wild he runs. Woo! Okay, okay! Yeah, he's skateboarding on her. Okay! What is he finna do? Nice! Oh, he said he ain't done. Oh, wow. He's Pharaoh mode. Ooh. Where'd he get her? Oh, no. That's not enough. Dang, Power still can't move? Who is this? Makima? Oh, Aki.
Cool.
That looks so fucking cool! Oh my goodness, that looks so cool. Oh, squad came to say today, Kobeni! Kobeni! Or Kobeni, however they're gonna say it. That boy hurting hard. Ooh, he got it back. What are you doing, Apple art? That look like the nine-tailed fox. You're not gonna let him have it? Oh, he saw Power set him up. Ooh, wee. I mean, it was Makima that set him up. Oh, he got a fan. Oh, this buddy from the car. I'd be mad too if I was him. What that mean, Aki? Come under my wing. This man eating like he had like sauce on his fingers. It was an apple. Chill. How wet was the apple he had? Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. Jesus. Power, shut up. Do you see this? That is ufotable level backgrounds. Bro, Blue Lock did the same thing. Oh, wow. The integration is crazy. Is there a chance Makima knows? I'm only asking. It's been a while since I read it. Oh yeah, they're looking for the gun devil. I do remember that. What did she see? He's got a little soft spot for our guy. In your face. Man, that was such a beautiful. Okay, still got the VCR in there. Okay. DVD player at least. Look at that. Was that even needed to animate that? And they did anyway? This is what I'm talking about subtlety. It even looks good just watching him do daily stuff. Look at this. This has to be on the list. Look, making coffee and everything. On a list of like gorgeous animes, this has to be on it. They didn't have to do that. MAPPA did not have to animate any of this. Look! Bro. They must be paying the staff a little bit extra on the top. They got to. I'm impressed. I see you, boy. Now he doing... If I had a hat on, hats off, man. Hats off. What are you eating, Denji? Who is that? Oh, that's Power at the door. You gotta chill, girl. Well, she gonna have to pay for that door, though. That doorknob. Oh, no. She took Denji's breakfast. She don't like curry? Chill. Okay, talk to her. Ow! Was that the cat or her? Great shot. That was dope. Man, they said Power stinks. I like when she did that. Oi, oi. Shit, oh, it's time. She didn't forget. She's a real one. It's time. Oh, she closed the door too? Okay, okay. You hear the music in the back? You better chill, Power. You better chill. Don't sweat, man. 3 squeezes? Is that enough for all he went through? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. He's gonna cry. That's a good shot. That might be the thumbnail. Oh, they ended it like that? Oh, we got a Power ED? We right back where we left off. Denji, get yours. Oh man, he has to prepare his heart. Bro, I need a wall like that just to put my toilet paper. Oh man, we chill. Chill. Ah! Damn, poor Denji. Now he's gonna feel deceived. Oh, she's actually gonna let him like do like the real thing, but they're not real now. Oh, he doesn't care. He's just all in. Now they're buddies for life. Yeah, they homies for life now. Miara just jumped straight on her shoulder. Hey, I need to train my cat to do the same thing. Where's she at? He's still in shock. Damn! Oh, I like her outfit. Oh, they wearing the same shoes? Bro, he don't even know what he's signing. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all had me with a little something, something. I am starving. He wanted to cop some more fails. Oh, now he's empty. Because he got this dream and he's asking like, what's left? Ooh, he's having an existential crisis, bro. Bro, you can have more dreams then. There's something else beyond fondling, my brother. What you doing, Maki? What you doing? What's she finna do? Oh, they intertwine. Now she's pregnant. Denji finna bust. Do you hear Denji in the back? She tripping. This is too much for him. Okay. She doing too much. Oh, wow. For all his hard work. Oh! You about to have a heart attack. It was too much. Hold yourself. What you? Oh, yeah, she wanted something. Damn, she put in a lot of faith. Yeah, that chainsaw is kind of wicked. What you finna do, Makima? Oh. Does Denji know about sex? What would Denji even want, though? How much does he know? Where does his knowledge end? We've been through this, brother. Oh, he does.
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
Oh, she said matter of fact. She's willing to do anything
悪
because
夢
of
対
it.
策に
Also, the gun devil's from America? The country mouse and the city mouse? Oh, the prince and the pauper? Who this? Play by yourself? Catch ain't really a game, you can do that. You better. Get outside and play with your brother. Fuck what your parents talking about. Oh, it's snowing too? Okay. Man, I gotta touch snow one day. Y'all let me know where it's snowing, bro, so I can fly to y'all. Oh, he happy to be outside too. You wanted him to come outside. What you doing? Then why were you sulking? Oh, look at him. Yeah, see, I knew you wanted to play. He was trying to play tough. Is something gonna happen to the older brother outside? The gun devil finna show up? Whoa! From what? Yo, if the little... Oh, wait. Was this Aki? Is this Aki? Whoa. The gun devil is no joke. You don't understand. What's not to understand? Millions have died. You see, he's a bust. Oh, straight bullets? What look like it got jizz on it? Where them bullets come from? Oh, that's like a beacon to find them. Interesting. Oh, it was Aki. Okay. Oh, he got a big dream. He got a lot to avenge for. Okay, so we got the whole team now. It's finna start dancing. Oh, it is dancing. It's getting sturdy. Yeah, they talking shit. Oh, he tighten up. That gun better be fire. What did they do? That's what I want to know. What is that, Kubeni? Okay, let me get that. He jumped in too? He got feelings for her? Oh, okay, Denji. Denji want everything. Little fondling, little finger biting. Now you want to kiss? Oh, he say Makima's enough. Ooh, Denji's so pure. It's okay. You can come my way. Look at him. He's like a maiden. Okay. Okay. Little French action. Is that enough to deter him? He's sick. He's sick. That's all he needed. Oh, boy. Oh, no. He want that smooch instead. Right? No, but she said tongue, son. I love when Power does that. Oh, whoa. Ooh, that's how she looks with long hair. Damn, she look good with Aki. Oh, they go way back. And she's not even the same girl that we know in the present. Oh. Oh, that looks straight out of Demon Slayer. Whoa. Oh, wow. Let's go, Power. So Beanie, chill. Oh yeah, you can't do that. Look at Denji. Now all of a sudden he wanted. Guess a kiss on the cheek wasn't enough. Bro, this dude look like he ain't finna last long. They're showing us him too much. What that mean? This what the devil is? Oh, they went up the same flight of stairs twice? Why y'all let him go by himself? Oh, they're like in a loop. Oh, this the floor. This is it. Oh, man. Damn. These episodes kind of getting shorter and shorter. This is how I felt when I was watching Demon Slayer Season 2.